Hi there everyone. Today I will demonstrate in the most simple term how to park your car in a parking lot, parking space. Okay, so now we're approaching a parking lot to my left, and we're gonna find a parking space on the left. We're gonna put the front into a parking space on the left. So I'm turning into the parking lot, so I signal to the left, check the rear view mirror and my shoulder, then I will turn into the parking lot and make sure I'm in the middle of the open area, just leaving enough space for a car to get by me on the left. So we're putting the front in on the left, so you figure out which lane you want to be going into. So you keep going straight until when the front of your vehicle is basically in the middle of the same lane that you want to get into. Then all you have to do, well, of course you have your signal on, check your mirror, check all around, then turn the wheel all the way to the left and just let the car do the job. When the car is straight, like so, clock, then clock again. That means the wheels are straight. Then all you have to do is go straight into the parking space. And that's it. Simple. Now, of course, if you're leaving the car, you're gonna have to shut the car off, but before you do that, make sure you apply the parking brake and then shut the car off. In this case, it's a push button start, so all I'd have to do is touch the button and the car will go off. Okay, so that's all it takes to put your car into a parking lot, parking space, putting the front in on the left. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.